Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going back in time to the golden era of motorcycles. A time when bikes were simple, powerful, loud, and full of personality. And the star of today's video is the legendary Yamaha RX100. This is not just a motorcycle. This is an emotion for bike lovers. Back in the day, the Yamaha RX100 ruled the streets with its lightweight body, crazy pickup, and unforgettable two-stroke sound. Even today, when this bike passes by, people still turn their heads. So in this video, we'll talk about its design, engine, sound, performance, and why this old bike is still loved by thousands of riders. Let's begin. Design. The Yamaha RX100 has one of the simplest yet most iconic designs ever made. No giant screens, no modern electronics, no complicated technology. Just a clean fuel tank, round headlight, chrome fenders, flat seat, and a lightweight body. And honestly, that simplicity is exactly what makes this bike special. The chrome finishing gives it a true retro look. The slim fuel tank makes it look sporty. And the classic analog meter gives pure old-school vibes. Even after so many years, this motorcycle still looks stylish. Engine and performance. The RX100 is powered by a 98cc two-stroke engine. It produces around 11 horsepower, and its power-to-weight ratio is remarkable. The acceleration is snappy, and the exhaust note is unmistakable. Whether you're riding through city streets or open roads, it never disappoints. The handling is nimble, and the handling is stable, making it a joy to ride. Sound and legacy. That unmistakable two-stroke sound is a defining characteristic. The Yamaha RX100's exhaust note is music to enthusiasts' ears. That sound alone takes you back in time, and the legacy it leaves is still cherished. This bike defined an era, and to this day, it continues to inspire riders. Even now, you'll find it in collections, and it still has a cult following. Conclusion. The Yamaha RX100 is a timeless classic. Its simplicity, performance, and raw emotion make it a legend. If you love bikes, you must know about this one. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you in the next video. Performance. Now let's talk about the real beast inside this machine. The Yamaha RX100 came with a 98cc two-stroke engine. But don't let the small engine fool you. This bike was insanely fast for its time. The throttle response was instant. The acceleration felt aggressive. And because the bike was lightweight, it moved like a rocket. When riders opened the throttle, the RX100 produced that iconic two-stroke exhaust sound that bike lovers still miss today. The engine felt raw, mechanical, and full of life. Modern bikes may have more technology, but very few motorcycles can match the excitement of riding an RX100. Riding experience. Riding this bike feels completely different from modern motorcycles. The seating position is comfortable, the clutch is light, and the handling feels super easy. Because the bike is lightweight, it can easily move through traffic. And on open roads, it feels free, fast, and exciting. This motorcycle gives pure rider connection. No riding modes, no electronic assists. Just you, the engine, and the road. That is the magic of old bikes. Sound. We have to talk about the best part. The sound. The RX100's two-stroke sound is legendary. That sharp ring-ding-ding exhaust note became famous across South Asia. Even today, bike enthusiasts modify their exhausts just to recreate that classic sound. And honestly, nothing sounds exactly like an old two-stroke motorcycle. It's loud, it's aggressive, and it instantly brings back memories for old riders. Why people still love it. So why is this old motorcycle still popular today? Because the RX100 is more than just a bike. It represents freedom, nostalgia, and real riding emotion. Many people learned riding on this motorcycle. Many racers modified it for street racing. and many collectors still restore old RX100 models with pride. Even after decades, demand for this bike remains high. That shows how legendary it truly is. Final thoughts. The Yamaha RX100 may be old, but legends never die. This motorcycle changed bike culture forever. Its lightweight body, fast acceleration, classic design, and unforgettable sound made it one of the most iconic bikes ever built. And even in today's world of modern superbikes, the RX100 still has a special place in the hearts of motorcycle lovers. So tell me in the comments, have you ever ridden an RX100? Or which old-school bike is your favorite? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing motorcycle content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.